What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be talking about how I made $26,000 trading the NASDAQ. I took one trade and my entire Discord server took the same exact trade as me, and well, we're going to be talking about it. We're going to be going over the bias, my thought process, and my execution, and I'm going to be explaining my thought process behind everything so that you guys can do this yourself. If you guys don't know who I am, my name is Ivan. I like to recap the NASDAQ, and if you guys want to check out any of my other recaps, you're more than welcome to by going over to my page. Look at anything, right? And if you want to learn the exact way that I trade, I have my entire strategy on YouTube in the form of a boot camp. It's 8 videos right now, and if you watch it, then you're going to understand my strategy really, and a lot of the concepts that I'm talking about in here. And for those of you guys that have watched it, you guys can say, you know, it's a really good resource. You've learned a lot from it. And, well, if you did follow it, today was a picture-perfect day. And we're going to be going over it. I'm going to be explaining it. And you guys hopefully should have no questions by the end of this video. So without further ado, let's get into it. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and go to just about 6:45 a.m. today. This morning, I woke up at 6 a.m. because I wanted to hit the gym because my internet was out. My internet actually just got fixed 5 minutes ago, and I'm recording the video right now because I've been waiting for the entire day. My internet went out yesterday at 3 p.m., and I wasn't able to do anything. So I wasn't able to trade last night, and this morning, I woke up, I went to the gym. After the gym, I came home, grabbed my laptop, and went downstairs to the lounge. And I was sitting there at about 7:30, but I'm going to begin from 6:45 because I want you guys to really understand what's going on. So we can see that Asia session here consolidates because from the moment that it opens at to the moment that it closes at, it doesn't actually go anywhere. A lot of you guys are like, Ivan, why is this a consolidation? You might still be confused. You can go onto the 1 hour and you can see this a lot more cleaner. So on the 1 hour, if you take a look at Asia at 8 o'clock, you'll see where it opened at. Then this is 9, this is 10, this is 11, and this is where 11 o'clock closes at. It closes right where it opened at. It didn't really go anywhere. And if we go into a 4 hour, well, the 4 hour isn't going to really align. The 2 hour will, though. And you can see that this opened here and this closed there. There wasn't really much movement. So that's why that's a consolidation, but that's just an easier way of looking at it. Look at where it opened at and look at where it closed at. And then that's how much it moved. So we can see that Asia consolidated, we can see that London went up, and you can see that we're currently going up for London high. Now, why are we saying that? Well, currently the market is going up. The market went up, and the market is just only going higher. So at this point, what can I take? Well, the first thing I could take here is I can look at this fib and I can take it from this wick low up until this high. Right? This is going to give me -4 right below London high, but I know that we're going to take London high, so we're not going to just miss London high. So this fib is good. It's telling me we're still going to go up, but it's not going to be the top. So I'm going to take this thing to the left, and I'm going to take this manipulation. This ends up giving me -2.5 in the same area, and this ends up giving me -4 at 974. If I end up playing this out, we'll see that price action came up. It took out London high, and then it came up to -4. And up here at -4 at 974, we ended up getting a reversal. Just based on this and looking at this, we can say that this is a New York reversal. We can take a look at this diagram right here. And if you guys want to see this diagram, if you guys don't know where this diagram is, you guys can check out the bias video in my boot camp, right? I talk about how I look for bias, the scenarios, and this right here is one of the scenarios. So if we take a look at how we moved, we can see Asia consolidation with London directional move. So Asia consolidated, London got a directional move, and we just took out London high. So right now we're at this point at the top. And if we take a look at what happens afterwards, at this point, I was actually on the charts. This is already 7:20. I'm sitting in the lounge on the laptop. I watched this thing drop down, and then I missed this. It was at this moment that I got onto the chart. I missed this entry. This made a new low, and I fibbed this high down until this low. This ended up giving me 0.5 and 0.618. And at this point, price came up to 0.618, rejected 0.618. I took my entry. I have my stop loss of 50 ticks, and I ended up taking this trade for 50 points. And now I have a new fib, which is telling me targets where the market should go to. And if I play out this price action, you're going to see that we deliver straight to take profit. That was my take profit, and then the market delivered all the way down to London low, and then when the market opened up, it ended up delivering down to Asia low. But if we take a look at what happened afterwards, you're going to see that the market dumped. And the market dumped. And now, when you take a look at this picture looks picture perfect. Asia, consolidation. London, directional move. New York, dumps. Asia, consolidation. London, directional move. New York, dumps. And this is how we got our entry right here. Straight off of seeing that we rejected off of -4. After -4 rejected, we formed this OTE range. After this OTE range formed, we pulled back to 0.618. We wicked 0.618. We rejected 0.618. That's our entry. I ended up taking 50 points, and the clear draw was London low. And we ended up delivering there before market opened at 9:10. But me personally, I was done before 8:20. So it was a really quick day for me. I'm really happy with how it went. And that's why it's a really quick recap. You know, it's nothing really crazy. It was a really textbook day. And everybody in the Discord server took the same trade as me right here. I'm going to go all the way to the top. This is us still going to the top. And so we got 1, 2, 3. This is already the shorts. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's me. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. 28 people posted some cheddar today. So that's pretty good. That means I'm doing something right. If everybody's taking the same trade, that's pretty crazy. I'm really happy. And I mean, I hope you guys have no questions. I think that this was pretty clear. From how we got our bias to how we executed. And if you guys do have any questions, feel free to comment them down below. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.